See, it was not easy for me because they were all newcomers and they were not trained actors, and as a director it was my responsibility to make sure that when the audience sees the film, they recover their money. They don't feel like that, oh, we are seeing new actors, you know. They are not, for them it's a beautiful experience and they should come out of the theatres feeling that we are seeing seasoned actors. So first of all, because they were new, I had to train them. So I had workshops with them for 6 to 8 months, and I had made sure that at the end of the workshop, everybody knows according to the character how to walk, how to talk, how to sit, how to enter the room, how to dance, and each and every minute and small detailing of that character. That was very important, you know. And of course, handling production was very tough, because when you're a woman and at times the situations are so tough that, you know, you have to abuse and stuff like that. But I did not stoop down to that level, and keeping my dignity intact, I tried to make sure that everybody is fine in the unit and they're all performing, giving out their 100%, because I was like shooting in -8 degrees and my unit was very, very uncomfortable, and they were all from Bombay and they're not used to that cold, you know. So making sure that they perform, they give out their 100%. So keep pushing each one of them. And as a director, as a young mother, as a woman, I think I was the most excited person on the set, and I think it was my excitement and my enthusiasm which was probably motivating other people to remain as young and as excited and as ambitious about the whole product. As an Indian filmmaker, of course, I always believe in bringing out the best from my country, and when I sat down and researched that which location I want to shoot in, I wanted to discover and go to virgin locations and show it to you know, the people of India, that look, we as Indians have so much beauty in our country. Why just run away to Switzerland, or for that matter any other country, to shoot a film? So I discovered this place Lachen in the north of Sikkim, which was extremely difficult to reach, very bad infrastructure, but if you reach there, it was almost like heaven. It was so beautiful, and now when it's shown in the film as Sikkim, it looks like amazing, and a lot of filmmakers are coming up to me and asking me which place is that, where have you shot? And you know, it's like, for example, yesterday Salman Khan was asking me which place is this. So you know, there's been so much of compliments pouring in. So I think that scrutiny and that hard work and that detailing to find the right location, the right look has worked. I think music, when I told my husband Bhushan Kumar that I need these songs, initially his reaction was that it's a very difficult album to create. Like, I wanted a rock song on Ma, I wanted a Sufi number, I wanted 2 love songs, I wanted a pajama party hostel number, I wanted a sexy beat song, I wanted a patriotic song. So he said that this music is very difficult to create, and agar ban gaya acha, to it's your good luck, you know. So now he really tells me that you are very lucky as a person that you've got such good albums, because filmmakers normally don't get so lucky and don't get so much such a good music. But I think it's been his hard work, and also the hard work of the 4 music directors behind him. That's Preetham, Yo-Yo Honey Singh, Arko, and Mithun, you know, who have put in a lot to make it possible for me and for him, and also as T-Series, because after Aashki 2, this was our next home production, and we had to make sure that we give a very good album to the audience. So now the audience is thrilled to hear Yariyan's music, and they're all like, thank you T-Series, thank you Divya ma'am, thank you Bhushan sir. So I think it's helped, you know. I just know this film has to do well, because I know the kind of support I feel, God supporting me and my film, and I know this film has to do well, because that's the end of everything, of my entire struggle of a decade. And I came to Mumbai when I was 20 with a lot of dreams to achieve, and I have to achieve it with this film. There's no other way. No matter who comes with this film has to do well.